Welcome all. In this video, we are going to check or we are going to know how Java can be practiced, Java programs can be practiced without installing any app in Android device. So for doing that, we have to simply open any of your browser installed in your mobile and you have to search for this particular link, that is www.onlinegdb.com. Okay, then pressing on go, we can open this window, and this is the window or this is the web, this is the website or web page. If you have remembered, we have used for practicing C++. Fine. So now just go little right and check, there will be language written on top. You can select any of the language from here which you want to practice. So we want to practice Java, so we can click on Java so that the Java window or Java program, the basic structure will open on your screen. So let reduce the coding or increase the size of the window. So now this is the basic structure of Java program it is showing. As we have previous video, we have seen like the basic structure of Java program was showing like this, but in that case we installed an application on device. In this case we didn't install any application and we are trying. So see, public class main, that is the basic structure, we will discuss later. Fine. In this case the class name is given main, we can change it later, we will see that later. Now public static void main, that is string args is written, which we will discuss later again. This is our first class, so we need not to worry of all this. Just we need to concentrate whatever we supposed to write within this screen or within this body of the program. So there is a curly bracket started in main function. If you notice, within this curly bracket we have to write the coding. So the coding we have to write as cout. We have learned in C++ to print any statement on screen. So in this case we can use system.out.println. So system, the first letter is capital, so that is very much case sensitive, so we have to follow that anyhow. System.out.println. See here, when we are writing, it is not that much of user friendly as we have seen in previous video. In previous video we need not to write some of the coding, it is writing of its own, like writing sys, automatically system is appearing and clicking there, the system is appearing on screen. So it is up to you again, whichever you like you can use. So now system out.print, then within double quote we can specify whatever we want to write, like this is my first program. I just wrote in short the program, and double quote I need to end, we started and we need to end, and bracket also as well as semicolon also. Okay, don't do any mistake, this is a programming language, we have to take it very seriously. Fine. And there before one line is written here, hello world, let it be there, no problem. If you see the difference between the first line and second line, automatically the line that hello world come of its own, like in C++ also it used to come. So it is written println. In my previous video I taught the difference between print and println. So keeping in second line println won't make any changes on output. Just check, I'm just clicking on the run button to run the program. Let's check the output, how it is coming. See students, the output is coming. Now I have to use back button to close the keyboard so that I can see the output. It is printing in one line, but I have used println in second line. It means the println is written in a wrong place. So we should write the ln here in the first line, because after printing the first line, we should what? We should come to the next line to print hello world. So in second line ln, if you write it's okay, if you don't write also okay, but it is required in first line. So now let's run the program and check whether the output has any changes or not. So check, it is coming nicely now. Now removing also second line ln, we can check whether the output is coming nicely or not. Check now, it is coming as before, because we don't have to do anything, we don't have to print anything after hello world. So if you use ln, if you won't use ln, it won't differ anything on output. So in previous video and in this video, I have shown you two ways to practice Java in our mobile or in our Android device. If we won't have computer at home, we need not to worry. We can practice the Java application programs from mobile itself, from Android device itself. Okay, so this is how the job can be done, the practice can be done of Java in Android device.